Yeah, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pissed. Woo! Let's go. This is the gangster here. Okay, but this is family friendly, so no swearing. No swearing. I swear. That's funny. But anyway, so in this video we're going to talk about NFTs. I made a couple of like a month ago or something like. I made like it was like 14 to 15k with NFTs, and to be honest, I'm genius. Okay, I'm just kidding. I am not a genius. I was just basically following people on Twitter and they said this is a good project. And when I looked at the project, I was like, yes, this is a good project. And then I bought it. And then I just happened to make money. So it's like a 50% luck, 50% skill, 50% power of will, baby. Let's go. Okay, so this is the intro. Now we can actually start the video here. Anyway, so let's look at this video. So I'm going to show you basically every strategy that I used to make money with NFTs, baby. And this is going to be the guide because I'm such a genius, okay? Like nobody else made money with NFTs when the NFT was crazy. Okay, I'm just kidding. If you were in NFTs, it was almost impossible not to make money, to be honest. And I'm always honest, okay? So yeah, basically if you didn't make money, that's more like, that's weird. Okay, if you made money, like yeah, everybody made money, so of course somebody else always has to lose, but I thank God I didn't lose. So here are the trades I did, and I'm going to share the NFTs that I found, and then I'm going to show you the trades. And I also made a huge mistake that I'm going to show you in this video. So this is the lunar plume plots. So this is basically virtual like a moon that's on Ethereum blockchain, and it was created in 2017, and there's only 400 sectors, so it's scarce and it was in demand, but at the same time it's resource in a sense that you own it, but there's nothing you can do with it. It doesn't produce anything, so it's basically a tulip. That's what Warren Buffett says. So it's but I bought this for like 3 Ethereum like a month ago or something like that, and then the prices went to like, the prices went to like 8 Ethereum or something like that. So let's look at 8 Ethereum. So back then the prices were like this. So it was like 25k. Okay, so I made 20k profit there, but I didn't sell. Okay, and then I sold it for like basically for 4k profit. So it went like up a lot and then it went down a lot, and I was like, man, I have to sell this. I don't want to lose on this NFT trade. So I sold it for like I bought it for 3 Ethereum and then I've sold it for 4 Ethereum. Okay, which is crazy. And I was like, yo, and yeah, so I made 4k profit on this one. Okay, and yeah, it was pretty good. Like, it was pretty good. And yeah, so now the price basically kind of like increased after that, and then it came down a lot, and that's kind of that. So but the reason that's not like my trade is not, I know that was my first NFT trade. I was still profitable, but I lost 20k profits there, like right off the bat. I was like, yo, that hurts, man, that hurts. But at the same time I was like, yo, I made money, so it's all good. So in the end, all you want to do is get little wins, and those little wins will scale into big wins. Okay, that's what I have learned. That's the biggest thing that I have basically learned in 2021. When you get little wins, it will scale up. Okay, it will compound. But anyway, that's the one trade. And the second trade was, if you don't know about this, it's a curio card, and it's curio cards. This is it. So I basically bought this for like 1 Ethereum. So I will show you. It was this one, and then I basically sold it for like 3 Ethereum or something like that. Okay, so I made like, it's something like that. But yeah, and then there was a couple of other ones, but these are the main ones. Okay, that's if we use that, it was like 4k plus I don't remember. It was something like 12. Well, it was no more than 12k. It was something like 13. It was like 14k, if I remember correctly. That's what I remember. Can't remember the exact prices, and I don't even have the wallet, it seems, anymore. Because I was like, when I got those profits, I was like, yo, nah, bro. Because I invest in things that have like something that they generate. Because that's what Warren Buffett tells me. He tells me, he's like, yo, Wolf, invest only in what you know, bruh. Circle of competence, bruh. Like he actually calls me and says, "Yo, bruh, like what's up with this bullshit?" You know what I'm saying? We out here grinding, and you just freaking around there. So I'm like, "Yo, Buffett, what's up, bruh? I promise to not trade NFTs anymore." I mean, but anyway, so that was by the way, and this why I bought this. I just jumped in the price. I was so excited to tell you, but I went. But anyway, so this um yeah, so this one was because I saw that it's going to get auctioned in this Christie's action. It's actually the action is now ended, but that's when the like time when I got in. It was like a month ago, and or what's the action? I don't really know if what's the auction yet, or is it going to be? But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that I saw bullish news on it, and this is the first like thing here. And by the way, I still think that this is a huge alpha that I'm going to show you, even though I'm not a, like I don't own any NFTs right now. But this is the first NFT. This is like the number one, and this is number one on like this kind of like art NFT. Number one art NFT on Ethereum blockchain. That is huge. I think that a lot of people don't know that, and yeah, that's that. And the real thing that I want to talk about this video was about the OpenSea, like the rankings and stuff. But I think I'm going to do another NFT video because I have a lot of more things to share about NFTs. For example, where I think the space is heading. Like, because remember, this is only on Ethereum, this current space, and it's already like booming. So, and yeah, also yeah. But it's basically like virtual art in a sense, so it's not that kind of like innovative. That it's not that innovative because we can already like trade art, but it's like digital art. I hope that we get more like how would I say it? Innovation. I don't know what I should eat something. But anyway, so innovation. So when there's more innovative project, I think that's where the NFTs can grow, because NFTs can be used in so many things. For example, think about like if there's artist and he wants to share his music through NFTs, he would have to mint them on Ethereum blockchain, and one mint would cost like $200. So it's no. And when there's going to be just going to more crazy things are coming. Okay, so that's why I want to share in this video. And yeah, check out Tokenmetrics. It's a artificial intelligence platform where you can look at price predictions of coins, for example these Ethereums, and you can type in any coin here. Okay, any coin. And yeah, it's crazy. You can check it out in the description. And this was how I made some mullah with NFTs back then when the NFT craze was big. And NFTs are still big, but I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Okay, I'm just sharing how I made some money. And yeah, that's crazy. Those are just a couple of projects to talk about, but yeah, but those are like my peaks, how I made money. So you could use some kind of like I believe it was helpful in the sense that you saw like how I did it, like how much reasoning behind it. It has to be scarce. It has to be something that I like by the way, I forgot to say, I like the 2017 and 2018 projects because they are new. They are not new projects. They are already old, so they already have that kind of like for example, if you think like the first edition Pokemon cards, that's where the money is, baby. So that's just my big brains here thinking about it. That's thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos.